Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, you learn about environment setup for Angular applications. So for this, we require Node.js software. Why means Angular is written in a TypeScript. To compile the TypeScript files into JavaScript, we need Node and npm. npm stands for Node Package Manager. So see the description of this video for the link how to download and install Node.js software in your local system. So after installing Node.js software, so you need to be install Angular CLI for creating Angular projects, generating various applications, and for library code also. So for which, so we need to be install Angular CLI package with the help of Node.js. So just open Node.js command prompt. For installing your Angular CLI application. So there you can type command npm space install space -g space @angular /CLI. So this is the command for Angular CLI package. Now press enter button. It takes some time to install Angular CLI package. Now Angular CLI package is successfully installed into a local system. To check whether the Angular package is successfully installed or not, for which use a command called ng space v. This command shows the version of Angular CLI that you install. Now it's time to create Angular application, for which we use ng space new space followed by your application name. So ng space new space, here I give hello as my application name. Now press enter button, which is going to be create various supporting files and which is going to be install various packages. So before installing the packages, it is going to be ask you the routing for your application. So for which press Y, and also it is going to be ask you the type of styles that you want to be installed. So we need a basic CSS is enough. So that is the first option is selected. If you want to be changed, press up arrow and down arrow buttons. Now it start creating various files and installing various packages that are supported to our application. After application created, now you can run your application with the help of servers. So here Node.js provides a lightweight server called serve. So for which we use ng space serve space --open command. So which is going to be start your first we need to be move into the application, then you can call a serve. Okay, so for which move into your application, that is cd space hello. Now call your server for running your application. So for which ng space serve space --open. So for each and every server we have a host is there, that is a port number. So by default Angular takes a 4200 port number. Okay, when you run this one, your browser is automatically open and run your application. Now your server is ready. So it automatically opens your browser. Okay, if not opened means, so you can open manually and type localhost :4200. Okay, which shows the front page of your application. Now our browser open. See here, your server running on a 4200 port number. And this is the home screen of your application. So this is the way how to create an Angular application. See you in next video. Thank you.